Madam Chancellor, Dr. Samaruto, our commencement speaker, Professor P.P.W. Achola, Your Excellency Paul Shivarati, the Governor of Kisii County, my home county, members of the Kisii University Council, chairs of council of other universities here, Professor Chacha, Negoti Chacha, the chairman of Mission of University Education, the Kisii University Vice Chancellor, and all other Vice Chancellors and representatives of all other Vice Chancellors who are present today, members of faculty and other staff, parents and guardians, and our graduates today. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am extremely excited to join the Kisii University community for its prestigious 13th graduation ceremony today, at which 3,794 graduates will be awarded various degrees. This is a great day for Kisii University, as it marks the apex of the academic journey for the students who are graduating today. On my own behalf and that of the entire Ministry of Education, I wish to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the class of 2024 and the entire Kisii University fraternity. Congratulations. The theme of this year's graduation, Knowledge Without Borders, Creating Sustainable Communities and Enriching Lives, speaks to the unique and timeless space that Kisii University seeks to occupy in the global economic arena. This aligns with the university's determination to embrace inclusivity and extend its teaching, research and innovation functions outside the country's borders, and this is commendable. The theme is also aligned with the African Union's Agenda 2063, which embodies inclusive growth and sustainable development. Agenda 2063 expects African countries and governments to make significant investments in education in order to impart knowledge and skills among students and conduct research and innovation to help solve societal problems. Indeed, this resonates well with the United Nations Sustainable Goals, especially goal number 4 on the provision of quality education. Ladies and gentlemen, like most public-funded universities in Kenya, Kisii University has had its share of financial challenges, leading to accumulation of huge pending bills. The university sector financing problem is historical. However, I want to state that the government is doing all that it is within its means to significantly reduce the burden of pending bills and ensure our universities attain better financial health. Thus, under the student-centered funding model that was introduced in 2023, the government is introducing and addressing the historical university financial problems. We have, for example, spent over 41 billion in loans and scholarships for students since 2023. This amount has brought a lot of relief to public universities that had sunk into debt amounting to more than nearly 70 billion by the time the model was introduced. And in confirmation of the effectiveness of that funding model, Professor has just confirmed that it is helping him reduce the pending bill in this university, reducing it from 1.7 billion to 1.1. And it is estimated that within the next 3 years, all the universities will be on sound funding or financial footing if we continue with this model. As for any new initiative, there are always teething challenges. However, His Excellency the President Dr. William Samoei Ruto has sent up an all-inclusive national working committee to refine the model for greater efficiency and seamless implementation. The committee is expected to present its findings and recommendations whose implementation will streamline the model so that it can serve better and that it becomes fit for purpose. In the meantime, we continue to appeal to our universities to be accommodative of students as we work to address the various challenges facing the implementation of the model. At this time, I wish to thank all the Vice Chancellors for their commitment to admitting the returning first-year students while we review and process their loans and scholarships. When there were challenges, we did request the Vice Chancellors to accept the first-year students even if they had not made the necessary payments so that we could have time to resolve the challenge that the model was facing. Ladies and gentlemen, I now wish to briefly talk about the proposed Nyamira University College, and I'm glad that the chair for the Commission on University Education is here. His Excellency President Dr. William Ruto did grant us permission to establish a university college in Nyamira County to be mentored by this university, Kisii University. I'm pleased to note that the process is going on smoothly and that all that remains is sorting out the legal challenges that may have been brought by the community and other members led by the leaders in that area, and discussions are going on to resolve that issue so that that university can come to be. I'm aware that the Kisii University Council has identified possible sites and applied to the Commission for University Education to inspect and give its advisory. This process is ongoing and I expect it to be completed soon. It is advisable that all stakeholders remain patient until the Commission for University Education submits its report, providing on the next steps. Let us give them the opportunity to give us their expert opinion under their mandate so that we establish the university for the benefit of Kenyans where it should be established. The government's plan on education under the bottom-up transformation agenda is to increase access to quality education and transition to university. I'm happy to note that all your programs that require accreditation by other regulators, such as law and health sciences, have the requisite accreditation, meaning that those who are graduating today will transit to work seamlessly. In other words, your degrees are fully recognized. I have no doubt that the graduates who are living here today are well trained and ready to work and or proceed to postgraduate studies in any part of the world. It is also gratifying to note that the university's niche is in health with a focus on cancer research and management. This is quite commendable. Besides the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital, the government is building a cancer center adjacent to the university, whose groundbreaking ceremony was done by His Excellency the President Dr. William Ruto during his last visit to this region earlier this year. The hospital will be a state-of-the-art facility equipped with facilities that Kisii University faculty and students will use for cutting-edge research in cancer. Jointly with the facility, Kisii University should aim at attracting the globally available funds and partnerships for cancer research and trials and emerge as a global center of excellence on cancer. I salute all the graduates for their hard work and dedication that has brought them this far. There is no doubt that you disciplined yourselves and spent many hours in lecture rooms, laboratories, and in the library to attain this remarkable milestone. You've learned under the tutelage and mentorship of your good and dedicated lecturers. I am confident that you acquired relevant knowledge, skills, and the right attitude that will propel you to greater heights in your future endeavors. You are now ready to go out to the world and shine. The education and training that you got from Kisii University should enable you to think outside the box while creating opportunities for yourselves and for others in society. I urge you to look beyond the Kenyan borders for opportunities in the spirit of the current graduation theme. And His Excellency, the Governor has told you, please get yourselves passports so that when opportunities arise, you don't get stuck because you don't have a passport. Go out there and seek opportunities with the confidence that Kisii University has prepared you well for. I wish all of us here today a Merry Christmas and Happy New 2025. And congratulations to the class of 2024. God bless you. May all your dreams come true. Thank you.